Hi, in this video, you'll learn how to download, install, and set up the Norton 360 app on your Android device. Open the Google Play Store and search for the Norton 360 app. Select the Norton 360 app and tap Install. When the installation is complete, tap Open. Read and accept the License and Services Agreement and acknowledge the General Privacy Notice. Tap Sign In. Enter a valid email address. Tap Continue. You can choose to sign in with a one-time code sent to this email address or to your registered phone number by entering the phone number. After choosing Tap Continue, and then enter the one-time code received. Norton protection is being activated. After activation is complete, tap Next. Tap Get Started. The Norton app runs a smart scan to identify risky apps. When the scan is complete, tap Next. Tap Allow Notifications to receive alerts if your device is at risk or needs attention. Tap Allow. Tap Next. Tap Start Setup. And follow the on-screen instructions to set up your core protection. After you turn on all core protection features, tap Next. On the Scam Protection screen, read the information and tap Continue. That's it! Your Norton app is downloaded, installed, and activated. Tap Menu icon to view the features that are enabled. If your subscription includes a VPN, dark web monitoring, or identity theft protection, tap the corresponding tile and follow the on-screen instructions to set up the feature for maximum protection. At any point in time, to run a smart scan, return to the home screen and swipe down. When the scan is complete, follow the on-screen instructions to resolve any issues found. To view the Norton Protection Report, return to the home screen, scroll up, and tap the Protection Report tile. The Protection Report summarizes how Norton 360 has protected your devices and identity. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.norton.com.